Hi guys, what's up? Jean here with some more Mars anomalies to show you. I've added these to my blog in this post here. I call it, Is This Evidence of Manipulation in Mars HiRise Photograph? I'll show you why I think there might be some manipulation. This is the NASA page here. I'll include the link in the video description below, guys. Okay, so it was taken by the HiRise camera, and what I did was I downloaded the merged RGB map projected 296 megabyte file. But for this presentation, guys, I'm going to look at the JPEG normal resolution. That's the merged RGB map projected image. This is what caught my attention, those two dark areas there. This here looks as if it's data loss, so I'm not too concerned about those, but this ridge line here and that one there look pretty standard and normal, but those two dark areas just stand out. They made me think that they could have been added to maybe hide something in those areas there. Let me show you close-ups of it. This is a cropped image taken from the JPEG 2. Here you see the ridge line going through with a cliff face. I'll show you guys a close-up now, and what looks like dark liquid flows going through there, and then you've got these diagonal lines, pretty consistent throughout. Look at there at the top too, but there's nothing here. There's no diagonal line there and none there, although these appear similar in shape and texture. There's no diagonal line there, none here, and there's this line going through there that just doesn't seem to be right, especially in that area there. Look, these two dark spots could have been caused by the surface sinking down and leaving this area looking darker because the sun's coming from the 6 o'clock position, but that line just doesn't look right. This is an area that sunk in. Okay, let me show you the close-ups. Let's look at the first one. Okay, so you can see the ridge, then you've got this cliff face, and these dark liquid flows. Now, if you look at how they stain or darken that cliff face, you don't see it here. Instead, you see this bright grey area which sort of blends into this. It looks like a massive blur. Look at that. If this area did sink, why does it look like this? That just doesn't look natural to me, guys. What do you think? And that line too, shouldn't it be more of an arc? I don't know. What do you guys make of this? Okay, that just doesn't make sense to me. Let's look at the other one. Now here too, look at that ridge line, the cliff face, the dark liquid flows, but yeah, that the liquid flows seem to extend way past this here. There's no diagonal line coming into this, and here's no ridge line, and also there's no liquid flows over here. Could this be an area that was blurred? Look, it ends over there quite abruptly, then it's dark grey there. This too, there's like a triangular section that was added in there, which doesn't match this side over here. Look at the texture of this. It doesn't match that, and it's a sort of a sudden cut. Could that be because of this line here, the trick of the eye, trick on the eyes? I don't know. Very strange. Then there too, that line doesn't match with this, yeah, and that line should go through that area there, I think. And this, if it's snow, surely the snow would have gathered there and not, yeah, if this isn't snow, it could be a cloud that's hanging over this area, but then there's no shadow. So we look at that snow there, and the way it gradually fades into this darker area of the surface. You don't see it here. There's like a line at the bottom of this that doesn't look quite natural. And there we've got a light grey sort of square anomaly with a little, what looks like a dome on it, which doesn't look at all like this dark grey cliff face there. What is this? It just seems out of place, guys. This ridge line here, I just see it now, it's going across here, and you'd expect it to carry on, but then suddenly you've got this. Is this an area that sunk into the surface? But then surely this will look different. This area here and that there. Could this be manipulation, guys, to hide something? I don't know. So if you look at these two images, I've added these descriptions for you. I just don't know, eh? Here's the original, look at that. But these two things just appear to be pasted here and then blended in to look natural, especially that one. Here's a gradual arc where this light grey material sinks down and it becomes dark. But yeah, that's straight, virtually straight, and then suddenly it's dark grey. Let me know what you guys make of this. As I say, I'm not a specialist or an expert in this field of geology. So if you guys have got any ideas, let me know what you make of it in the comments below. I'll appreciate that. And hopefully we can sort this one out. I'll get back to you guys quite soon with another anomaly. In the meantime, keep safe and take care. Thank you for watching. This is Jean. Bye bye for now.